Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. You meet me with Miss Prapti at Prapti Sedi channel. Today, the lesson is about three kinds of recount. Two different between personal recount, biographical recount, and historical recount. Well, to know more about three kinds of recount, listen and pay attention carefully. Thank you. Well, I will give understanding about personal recount. To know what the difference between narrative and personal recount, it's really different. When narrative tell about story from legend, folktale, or fairy tale, or maybe adventure, or maybe horror movie, and it relate to the purpose of narrative to entertain the reader with the story or with the various kind of story. Different to recount text. Recount text give or tell the story about past experience but has its function to retell the experience or to give story to another people and has purpose to share the activity and share something had done at the past or retell the past experience. Well, recount text also has a generic structure such as three generic structure with different to narrative. For the paragraph 1 in generic structure of recount text, it called orientation. It's similar to narrative. First paragraph called by orientation because it may tell about the characters, place, time, the activity done at the past, and almost usually use the tense past tense or simple past tense. So, second paragraph tell story or sequence of the activity at the past or the activity that had done at the previous time. That way, it called events. It stated at first, second, third paragraph. And also, it is chronologically order or it is really chronologically order and good order for second paragraph, third paragraph to fourth paragraph. It is event. So the last paragraph it called reorientation. Reorientation called and share the last activity or the last story of the past experience. It may be funny story or maybe the activity that really memorable, fantastic, or even the story which really unhappy, sad ending, or maybe unforgettable experience by story happy, or maybe the story unforgettable by exhausted and another. Now next continue about the different type of recount text. There are four types of recount, which it is not only in the telling of personal story or personal experience. The fourth type it is personal recount, biographical recount, historical recount, and imaginative recount. First, for the personal recount, tell about the story that the writer done the activity at the past about previous activity, which it is in funny story, a really memorable experience or unforgettable experience. Personal recount also can share the activity which it is unforgettable and it is really good to share. It may in the type of text or it may in the type of letter. It may call recount text because the writer share the activity that had done in the past and use the simple past tense. Well, it is personal recount. Second is biographical recount. What is biographical recount? Biographical recount is a text which shall or tell the background of person, which is from the personality, educational background, or education and career from young to the age end of the age. The example from biographical recount, it may take from the story from the famous or very characteristic person which it is known or well known around people in one country or around the world, such as the people which invented some invention that it's really useful for humankind and another, or maybe in such or one two type of invention which it is really needed and useful for people around the world from centuries to the time or to nowadays time. Example, Alexander Graham Bell, the biographical recount of Alexander Graham Bell, the biographical recount of Thomas Alva Edison, and another. Now the third is historical recount. What is historical recount? Historical recount, it may talk or take from part of the story of invention, such as the invention or the story of historical some building, some place which it is really famous or really known by many people around the world, such as the historical of Sphinx, the historical of Pyramida, or maybe the historical of Mecca, Kaaba, and another. It is called by historical recount of building which it is well known around the world. Now the last is imaginative recount. What is imaginative recount? Imaginative recount is a recount text which really similar, little similar to narrative text but has different. When imaginative recount identified by something story at the past which relate to role and giving details of events, such as a day in the life of pirate or a day in the life of Cinderella and another, which it give the story of imaginary and tell about the past experience with good order, orientation, events, and the last reorientation. It may call by imaginative recount. Well, after we had understood the difference between personal recount, historical recount, and biographical recount, now let's continue the tense used in the story. We tell the story or example of each kind of type of recount. For the example of personal recount, we have known a simple story, maybe person's life or person activity in the agenda of graduation, or maybe the agenda of seminar, and the writer write down and retell the experience to share to another in order to reader can take the good story from the activity. It called personal recount. So the second historical recount, the example from the story of Sphinx, or how the story of pyramids at the time, how people built pyramid, and then until now the pyramid is useful and to be something place which the visit of traveling or sites or worldwide sites. Well, now the last the example of biographical recount. Biographical recount, it's so easy to find the example from the text of we may take from the famous person or famous background or famous person who is around us and all the invention needed to us. Well, now the last is the tense used in the recount text. What are the tense used in recount text, such as past tense? The simple past tense almost used in the recount text. So the use chronological order, such as first, second, third, and another. So the last is the use of adverb, use of a focus on specific participants, using of conjunction such as then, before, after, and using action verb such as when, state, will, and another. And almost in the recount text also use the passive voice. Passive voice is sentence which tell that something have done or had made by people at the time by using verb 3. Well, all this my explanation about difference recount text between personal recount, biographical recount, historical recount, and imaginative recount. Hopefully all of you can take the good story and good lesson from my video. If you find the good thing from my video, please like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Billahi taufiq walhidayah. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.